the Apple iPhone 15 series is anticipated to have bigger batteries and a new USB-C port, which might result in quicker charging and extended battery life for the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro. The incorporation of new technology into the iPhone's design, which will increase the battery life, is one of the most significant changes to the iPhone's design. According to a tip, Cider will be introducing layered batter manufacturing technology similar to that seen in electric cars in the iPhone 15 series, which will assist to extend battery life. The iPhone 15-based model will reportedly have the biggest battery capacity jump, up 18%, with a battery port of 3,877 mAh. The iPhone 15 Plus will have a battery port of 4,912 mAh, which is 14% more capacity, while the iPhone 15 Pro will have a battery capacity jump of 14% and a battery port of 3,650 mAh. If the battery size increase rumor is true, we may anticipate at least a corresponding improvement in the battery life of the devices. A more effective Apple A17 chipset and a newer generation of OLED displays would likely supplement the simple battery size increase improvements. The amount of time and effort spent on the project will determine whether or not the project is successful. It is fairly evident that the device will get thicker, which in my view may result in a little weight increase due to the stack-up battery tech. The second significant advancement will be the adoption of USB-C. Yes, reputable experts now predict that all smartphones in Apple's 2023 product line will use a contemporary USB-C port with power supply capabilities rather than the aging Lightning port. Additionally, this new USB-C will speed up data transfer to up to 40 GB per second, which I believe is a significant improvement as it takes forever to transfer files via the Lightning port or using AirDrop with the advent of the USB-C port on the iPhone 15 series. Apple will have all the necessary infrastructure for quicker charging in place, enabling it to formally upgrade the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max's 20-watt charging speed to the higher 27-watt or 29-watt charging peak. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.